Gicunji kia mirongo ina na igiri kia andu agima aria maikaraga matũra-inĩ ma Olkaria na Suswa matiathomire. O ni kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa githomo kia andu agima thiini wa Kaunti ya Nakuru Jimford Mokua akiuga uyu ni undu ucungiriirie muingi icigo-ini ici gutua matua matagereire.
We conducted a literacy survey in 2007 and that is the survey we are quoting from the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics. In that Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, there are pockets of illiterates in various parts of the country.
Akiaria hindi ya muthi wa kumurika matashukia mabata hari kwambatiria ikero cia githomo, Mokua augite ni mararutithania wira na honge itiganite niguo kugacirithia githomo gicigo-ini giki.
We have basically supported the community to recruit trainers because we have a budget to support them, and so far 15 have been trained who are going to go around and do the trainings, and currently 300 have shown interest from the community for registration, but it's a start and we hope that this process is going to continue.
Oho augite mutaratara mweru wa githomo ni uguteithiriria hari kugacirithia na kwambatiria ikero cia githomo.
The CBC is about parental empowerment and parental engagement. When you have 42% of that population who cannot be able to read and write, that is a very worrying trend.
Wagi wa githomo ni ugwetetwo ta umwe wa maundu maria maracokia na thutha icigo ici, muingi ukirutirwo mukana wa kuhinga tabarira cia thirikari iria cirambiririo mwena uyu. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wandũro.